All you gotta do is sit back and relax, and I'm gonna get you together for this New Year's season. I like to start with eyes first. So before eyes, we have to base the eyes. I actually like to grab concealer, make sure those eyelids are nice and evenly covered. Today, I'm just combining the Hourglass with the Tower 28, starting just by applying that all over the lid. Look how nice and sharp those brows are. And then with the remainder of the concealer, I'm just gonna go ahead and spread that all over the lid.
I love the way the brushes feel.
These are the Sephora collection brushes. They are synthetic, beautiful at blending eyeshadow, applying creams, foundation. Before anything creases, I like to apply a little bit of translucent powder over the lid. Should we get into eyeshadow?
Yes.
I agree.
What are you thinking?
I definitely want to go smoky. It's the holiday season, and let's definitely incorporate some neutrals. But on that lid though, let's do some glitter.
Oh yeah.
Starting with my lightest color first, just to build a gradient. Now I'm gonna get a little bit deeper. I'm gonna mix this color in with the black, smoky, sultry, gorgeous. And this is just before the glitter too, just wait. And what I like to do for the most seamless blend is take your foundation powder actually, and then run that underneath the brow bone. Now I'm gonna take this Danessa pigment. Have you seen these? These are gorgeous.
Oh my god, I heard a lot.
I like to pick it up with a brush.
Okay.
And then just place it all over the lid. That is the first layer. We're gonna take it up a notch. And let's use these beautiful shimmers from Patrick Ta.
And those are new ones?
These are the brand new ones, yeah. They just came out with some more.
I've been wanting to try those.
This is actually my first time trying it, and I'm already obsessed. And then to really take it there, we're gonna take it on our finger and then stamp it down, 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 all over that lid. Stunning. All right, now let's go in with some eyeliner. With our eyes still being closed, I'm actually gonna dip back in with that black of the Patrick Ta and then run it over the liner to blend it. I'm using the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara. This is super long lasting and ultra black. Let's move on to lashes. These are the Lilly lashes, auto adhesive ones. I love these, especially because they're already glued. Now I'm just gonna take some makeup wipes here and clean up all the glitter and shadow that fell underneath. All right, now we're gonna move on to primer. We already put moisturizer all over your face. That has sunken in, so let's go ahead and slap on some primers. On the center T-zone of your face, I'm gonna put the Hourglass Vanish primer to make sure you're matte and blurred. And on the outside, we're taking the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum on the perimeter to add a little bit of glow. All right, it is time for foundation. I really like this one. This is the brand new one from Makeup by Mario. Have you tried it yet?
I have. I love it.
I'm just gonna start off with one pump and go from there. You really don't need a lot of coverage. Yeah, you can already see a difference just side by side how good this foundation is. And this is a perfect match in my opinion. Taking my two favorite concealers like I did on the lid, using them underneath the eye as well. I'm gonna do a little bit more of this Hourglass one under the inner corners. It's blush time, so I love these Patrick Ta ones. This is the holiday one, which is perfect, especially for your skin tone too. I always like to start almost on the temple. Gorgeous. Take whatever's left on my blush brush and almost take it into the under eye concealer. That way there's a really blended glow throughout the cheeks. We're gonna come back to powder blush on the other side eventually, but let's set your face first. I'm actually gonna use both of these, the pressed powder from Charlotte Tilbury and the Laura Mercier translucent. Taking that translucent Laura Mercier first. All right, just for a little extra brightening, I'm gonna do the Charlotte Tilbury. Now that the face is set, I'm gonna go back into the Patrick Ta and use the powder blush this time. This looks stunning. It almost looks like it's coming from underneath your skin, which I like. I'm gonna be using this lip liner and this Dior lip gloss. This lip liner is gorgeous. This is the Molasses, the number 15 on the lip line. Since you just bought this one here at Sephora, I'm gonna go ahead and use your own lip gloss on you, the Dior lip gloss. All right, I'm gonna hand you the mirror now.
That is gorgeous. I love my complexion. And then this eye though, the sparkle. I love that.
Thanks for coming to see me.
Absolutely. Thank you. Give me a hug.